All right, pretty excited about this one. If you guys follow the channel, you know that my personal car is a single turbo Coyote. Since I've been doing the YouTube stuff more regularly, I haven't had too many Coyote cars in, and this is one of the first ones. And it happens to be a gotta have it green ProCharged pump gas setup. So with a Boss intake manifold. This guy bought it at auction. Super excited to see what it's gonna make. He doesn't really know much about it, so yeah, kind of getting into this thing blind, but that's all right. So check it out. Alright, so like I said, we don't really know a ton about this other than pretty much what's obvious. It's a ProCharged car. It's got a Boss 302 intake on it. It's just a air-to-air intercooled deal. It was tuned on E85. We're gonna switch over to pump gas. It's a 6R80 car. No idea what converter's in it or what gear's in it. Really don't know much about it, so we're kind of sorting through this as we go, obviously, but I love this color, man. It's unique. I like stuff that's unique. If you see my car, it's a grabber blue. This being the gotta have it green is something else that just stands out. I like them. Yeah, so again, I don't really know. I don't even know what injector's in this thing yet. I gotta sort that out, but really excited to see what this is gonna make. I'm happy to be able to put this on our YouTube channel finally, because just haven't had a Coyote in here since I've been doing the YouTube stuff, like I said in the intro there, so should be cool. This thing was purchased, he bought it at an auction, and no programmer, nothing in the car, so I had to have the dealership flash it back to OE to continue to start off that base. So there's a little extra step in there, just because we know nothing about the car. We have no paperwork, no anything, which is kind of interesting. So yeah, should be fun. I'm gonna dive right into this thing, get it strapped down, get some heat into it, and start doing all the drivability stuff and making some pulls. I'm excited to see what it's gonna make. Check it out. Alright, just wrapped up with the Mustang. Made 633 horsepower, 486 foot-pounds of torque. See power still climbing really well. I ran it to 7,200. Being that we don't really know much about the combination, I don't know if this thing's got oil pump gears in it or any of that stuff. So I left it a little conservative. At one point I had it making just over, we made 656 with it at one point, but I backed it off. That's where I'm going to leave it. It's at 630 mark. Good reliable power number there for this thing. Yeah, again, as I mentioned, this is his going to be his wife's toy, so yeah, definitely stoked with that. It's kind of surprised. I know these, you know, I wasn't familiar, again, not knowing what the combination was. I wasn't expecting it to make in that 580, 590 area like the typical you know, off-the-shelf ProCharger kits would generally make on 7 pounds. It's making like 9.5, 10 pounds of boost to make that 630 mark. Again, still on 93 octane, so definitely good power. This is a 6R80 car too, so that's also through the automatic. But yeah, definitely happy with it. Gonna be a fun car.